Oh, don't go under the kayak, you flip me, you son of a... Ah. All right, guys, let's get this kayak off of here. This is my kayak. It's a Pelican. I forgot what it's called, like a Pelican S100 or something like that. I have done some modifications. Fishing pole holder there, fishing pole holder up there. I just strap it here, strap it there, and then to tie it down in the front, I ordered one of these little guys. It's got that rubber round piece that goes underneath the hood. This ties onto it, and it's just really snug. I mean, that sucker is not going anywhere. All right, let's get this thing down. Try to do as good as a job as I can is rolling these up real quick. That way when I go to load the kayak up, they're not all tangled. Alright, definitely a light enough kayak that anyone can lift it up. Got to get my fishing pole holder that goes up here, and then I think we'll be good to go. And chicken liver is what I'll be using today. Normally, if I'm fishing for catfish or anything like that, I like using cut bait, live bait. But for this time, I did not feel like stopping and getting any bait. And I didn't feel like buying any either, so got some chicken liver, so we'll make it work. Now, believe it or not, guys, I have already been clear over there. I don't know how far. Let's turn this kayak around. I don't know when I was recording how far I got before my battery went dead. I noticed over here is some water that is out of the wind, and that's where I was before my GoPro shut off, or before I noticed it was shut off anyway. So I'm gonna go back over here where this water's nice and still. I'm gonna bait my hooks, throw them out, and we'll see what happens. Hey, what's up, little guy? There he goes. So on the other side of this jetty is the big part of the lake. I mean, it's a decent sized lake. I just happen to be on the side where it gets fed from the creek. Well, guys, if I don't get any bites here shortly, I might go over here, and that water, the wind is pushing it this way, and I might just drift this little section and hope that I don't get snagged. That's how I catch a lot of catfish, is just drifting. Seems to work really well. Little part of this lake here, and I'm kind of using my oar here to, whenever the wind will blow me this way, I'll just put this paddle in and it'll turn the nose of my kayak towards my truck up there, shoot, where I'm camping. And I got my bobber on this one back there, and this one's right there in the water. So I'm just drifting these lines, and it's going to slowly shoot me towards the bank there. That way I can drag this whole area. So if there's any catfish around this lineup right here, I will catch them. Boy, that wind's picking up. Oh, fish on, guys. Oh, yeah. Oh, we got a kitty. It's gotta be. Oh, shoot, dude. Oh, crap. I don't know if my net's big enough to this, man. I might have to work this guy to the bank. Oh, shoot. All right, just don't go under the kayak, dude. Come on. Don't go under the kayak. You flip me, you son of a... I'll have to give him some slack. Okay. Don't you go under the kayak, you son of a... Oh, he's kind of pulling me where he wants to take me. Okay. That's all right. I'll let him go for a second. I'll get this other one in. Okay, guys, never fish with two fishing poles, ever. Oh, no, you don't. Oh, no, you don't. Ooh, shoot! Are you kidding me? Oh, you big old dog, you. Big old dog. Okay. Guys, there's no way I can pull him in the kayak. Oh, come on. Come on. Don't get caught up on my other line. And he's got to be getting wore out. Ah, shit. Okay, I'm gonna try to get a picture of this guy. One more. All right. All right, guys. Now I've really wore this joker out, so I'm gonna try to get this hook out of. Oh, easy, bud. I'm trying to get you out of here. All right, guys. Oh man, I got him hooked so good. Come on. Okay, guys. I got the hook out. Now we're gonna nicely, gently let this guy out of here. All right, buddy. Come on. Come on. Oh, yeah. Come on. Come with it. There you go. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Oh, off he goes. Woo! Boy, that was so exciting. Tell you what, I don't care how many times I hook into a big catfish like that, man, never gets old. And I hope you guys enjoyed that. That's what I was trying to bring to you guys and let you see what it was like catching a big catfish on a kayak, and I did it. All right, back in the kayak I go, guys.